Hello there, my name is Dr. Lauren Dodds and I am an upper cervical chiropractor here in Fairhope, Alabama. So in this video, I wanted to share with you some more information about headaches. Now, many patients come to seek our office for care due to headaches, and I think that the top ones are usually due to tension headaches, which can involve not only the head, but also the jaw and the neck, and also migraine headaches. Now, I want to share with you more about upper cervical chiropractic and why I think this type of care has such profound effect in supporting our patients and managing their headaches. Now, when we experience trauma throughout our lifetime, whether that's from a fall or a sports injury or a car accident, or even from our very own birthing process, this creates stress and tension in the spine. Now, the upper cervical spine is unlike any other area of the spine. The atlas sits on top of our neck. The atlas is the top bone in the body, and it sits on top of our neck as a donut shape. And it can rotate and shift. And this increased movement, which allows us to move our head all around, which is really critical, but it allows for susceptibility because most of the bones in the spine have these bony interlocking pieces that create stability in the joint. But the atlas, remember, it doesn't have those. And so it's mostly held together by soft tissue. And when we have an accident or injury, that soft tissue is more likely to be damaged. And we create that misalignment, this critical misalignment at the top portion of our neck. Now, because of that increased movement, the atlas can misalign so many different ways in its relation to the head and the rest of the body. And this is why it's so critical to be so specific with how we make that correction. Because when we have that soft tissue damage, this is going to create tension. It's going to affect messages from the brain to the rest of the body. It's going to affect cerebral spinal fluid flow. It's going to affect how your lymphatic system or your glymphatic system drains toxins and chemicals out of the brain or the cranial vault. It's going to mess with blood flow as well. And when we have interference to these normal bodily processes that are supposed to happen, this is going to create pain and inflammation. And so what we can do is we can normalize that alignment between the head, the atlas, and the rest of the body to allow messages from the brain to be sent to the body to handle all these body processes. The glymphatic system can work more appropriately. Other fluid like blood can drain out of the brain more effectively. And by doing so, by restoring this critical junction box, we're going to allow the body to heal optimally. And this is where we really see our patients get out of pain, whether that's from a tension headache or a migraine headache. So if it's something that you've been dealing with, chronic headaches, whether that's a tension headache that comes on at the end of the day, or whether it's a migraine headache that's affecting you days at a time, I highly recommend you give our office a call and check out the website for more information, www.sproutandShineChiro.com, and we can start to figure out what's truly going on between your head and neck to see what we can do to help you maximize your pain relief.